Alright, we're going to clean a couple of pieces of furniture for this customer. He has us cleaned all the time. In fact, we have him on a payment arrangement where we clean several times a month and he pays us monthly. We're going to clean the couches today, so we'll put our spray down. I'll do half the couch for now, then the other half in a little bit. So we got the spray down. Scrub it in a little. Now anybody that wants to can do what we're doing in this video, but we're primarily showing this for people who are homeowners who would like to clean their own furniture and maybe save the money of hiring a professional service out because they don't want them out for whatever reason. This is tools you can get at the regular stores. You can get this machine here at Home Depot, and you can get the extractor at Walmart. Of course, you can get the extension cord for the extractor anywhere in town. But that's what we're doing. We're showing a homeowner version of cleaning. I mean, it's just as good as professionals will do. It's extracting and scrubbing, extracting, all that. But it's something you can do without calling a professional probably service out. Okay, I'll clean the other side. Now this particular customer, all he cares about is the arms and the seats, because he has a dog that gets on the couch and might pee a little bit. So you can take the cushions off and clean them if you want, but he don't care about that. He's not paying us to do it, so we're not doing that. We're just doing what he asked. Now, even though we're not selling any of this stuff, are you going to put a link to where they can get it in the video, Joe, or not?
I'll put a link for the. I'll try to put a link for the Ryobi. The BISSELL's just go to Walmart and
buy any of their little
extractors. Yeah, they're all pretty close to the same thing. So that one, getting the exact model is kind of tough on their site. If I could find it, I'll give you a link to the exact model, but otherwise it's just a BISSELL Hoover, whatever.
It's just this right here.
They're all made by TTI. So.
It's just a basic extractor.
Yeah.
But it works. They work very well. there's that couch.
I'm gonna pause it because we have to move these couches a little bit
Yeah,
to get the.
just give us a second. We'll be right back.
Pause it for a second.
Okay, we got this couch moved around, so we're going to do the same thing on it we did on the other. Just put a little spray. Now there's dark areas in here, and they're not going to come out. It's old, trashed out fabric. So the goal is not to get
And that's a bleach stain right there.
Well, there's not even a goal to get the couch perfectly clean, because that's not going to happen. It's just get it clean so the customer feels like it's sanitary.
Yeah, he got these second hands. So.
Oh, these couches are 30, 40 years old, and they've been who knows how many people have owned them. These are trash finds. So.
Well, these are things people set by the dumpster and.
They are.
When they move out, or the maintenance guys.
Super duper old couches.
Yeah, or the maintenance guys grab them because they're left behind, and they see if anyone wants a new sofa.
If this stuff comes out, it's not going to happen. It'll be extraordinary, but that's not even the goal. You know, it might be coming out a little bit.
Now this is the softest brush for the Ryobis that they sell. You want a soft brush when you're working with fabric.
Yeah, furniture, you could tear right through a piece. I used a orbital buffer one time with a cloth on it, and I ripped a hole right through a couch, right through the fabric. It happens, so.
Yeah, especially where the fabric's tight, like along these edges where it bends at. There's usually not much padding underneath there. They're okay out in this area, but when you have a bend.
I was working on an arm of a couch, and I got a hole that big burned right through with an orbital machine.
Yeah, especially places where there's nothing much underneath there. It's real easy to burn through, so you won't
it'll burn through it easily.
Now this Ryobi tool is not super aggressive, so it's a pretty gentle tool. Yeah. Of course, if he was wanting us to, and he wanted to pay a little more, we'd come in here and we'd, do the fronts and, the backs and everything, but he doesn't care about that because he gets these cleaned pretty often.
Well, we have this guy on what you call a monthly maintenance plan.
And it's just the basics.
Yeah, we do what he asks. Once a month we'll clean his couch, his floor, his carpet, or his
Oh, you want to pull the dirty water tank off? We can let's see if we can pour it in the bathroom
professional
sink.
carpet cleaning service, and I'll tell you what all carpet cleaners say. Upholstery, it's hard on your back.
Yeah. Yeah, bring it in here and pour it in the bathroom sink because it'll show up good.
Actually, I'm not done with the
You want to run that cleaning tool, but once you empty the dirty water first.
There's some dirty water.
All right. Let's see. All right. Yeah, he's got a pet that likes to sit on the couch with him and they play on there.
Oh, yuck. I won't want to drink any of that.
You might rinse that out real good. Maybe in the kitchen sink's a little taller. Oh, I meant the container.
I'm going to rinse the container here.
The spray we put down is a peroxide-based cleaner, so peroxide's good on organic things like pet stuff and everything, so it's a good spray for this.
Might as well let us see the spraying, the cleaning here.
Well, but hurry.
See how difficult it truly is. I'll say compared to the professional extractors that are high end, this is a lot easier to clean up. Those things take some more cleaning than this. I'd rather clean this than one of those $600-700 portable extractor deals.
Well, if you're going to do a ton of work like that, and you can afford something like that, that's great. But a lot of people are only going to do this a little bit here and there, and they don't need an expensive machine.
Well, the only drawback to this machine, technically, a couple of couches like that, you have to put more water in it.
Yeah.
And that's not a big deal, but it's probably a drawback to someone who's doing, furniture 8 hours a day.
Well, for around $100, you can't really compare it.
Oh no.
But you can make your money back really quick with one of these.
The first day you go to a job with me.
Yeah, show them the cleaner real quick because we're running.
Oh yeah. When you're done, you want to come over here. You have this tool that comes with the machine. Pop this thing off.
And this is model dependent, so depending on which one of these you buy, you may or may not have
watch
this.
Oh.
You didn't line it up right.
That's my mistake. I'm sorry. At least it's clean water. No, okay. See, the water goes in here, and all it is it's flushing out your filter, your vacuum fluid. Now here's the deal. I filled this thing up to right here when we started, and it's down to here. So it uses water about that quick.
Yeah.
If you want to know, of course, we'll just get rid of the excess water. We don't need it because we're finished with the little chore.
Well, this particular model came with this tool here, which is for it's a 3-in-1 stir tool. It also came with this other attachment. I'm not sure this one have actually worked better.
It works real good, but I like this one just because it's water.
Yeah, I think the other one may work better on sofas.
This one
if you get something like this, try them and see which one you like better.
This could work better. It works real good. I'm not sure if it has more vacuum or what the deal is with it, but but this one here's what I use because it works so well.
Well, check the video description for any links I may put in there and other information. And I'm going to end it here. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.